So I was solving quadratic equations. I found that the discriminant of equation is less than 0. Less than 0? Wait, what? I was shocked. How I am supposed to find the square root of negative number? Well, I couldn't. I asked my mathematics teacher, what is square root of negative numbers? What he said was totally caught my attention. Those numbers exist and called imaginary numbers. Is that the thing like an imaginary friend? Does they exist but we can only imagine? For some students, imaginary numbers do not make sense. They think it's totally useless, but it's actually not. Let me tell you why. Although this is nominally a conversation between a mathematician and non-mathematician, the real point is that it could be a conversation between a theist and atheist who are talking about God, not an imaginary number. As it comes out in the following, it's difficult to say whether or not imaginary numbers actually exist. However, it is clear that imaginary numbers are useful to some people, but not to others.
Value. While it is not a real number, that is, it cannot be quantified on the number line. Imaginary numbers are real in the sense that they exist and are used in math. Usually denoted by the simple I, imaginary numbers are denoted by the simple J in electronics. Imaginary numbers are particularly applicable in electricity, specifically alternating current electronics. AC electricity changes between positive and negative in a sine wave. Combining AC currents can be very difficult because they may not match properly on the waves. Using imaginary currents and real numbers help those working with AC electricity do the calculations and avoid electrocution.